Hello Diamond Divas, this is Wanda from Wanda's Workbasket for all things creative and crafty and a little bit of inspiration sprinkled in between. Today I want to show you the items I got finished in February, and I'd love to share with you like where I got those things. But before we go any farther, I'd like to invite you to like and subscribe. If you subscribe to this video and we get up to 100 people subscribing, I have a giveaway. I have a giveaway that continues at 250 and 500 and 1,000. So I encourage you to join the Diamond Diva community, and I'm glad you're with us today. I'm really glad you're here. Okay, let's get started. Back again with the things that I have finished in February. I started this one in January though. So these are the things I got finished in February. I started this one in January and I really would have liked it in a bigger size. This is from You Are Best Deals. Letter U, letter R, Best Deals. And it's supposed to be a library with books. It's nice and all, but if I would have gotten it in a larger size, maybe the details would have come out. Maybe if I stand away from it for a while, it would be clearer. I really love books and libraries and things like that, so, you know, that's why I have this. So you'll notice a theme in some of those because I really like the books. Okay, so another one that I can show you is this one. This one is also from You Are Best Deals, and again, it's a library. It's a set of books on a shelf. I like it. I didn't have any problems with the You Are Best Deal canvases, so I'll just say that, you know, right up front. Another one I got done is from Fan Sales, and it's let's see, I called it River Scenery, and you can see the numbers at the top if you like it. As with all of them, all of my videos, I hope to link what I have in the videos so that if you're interested in picking them up yourself, that they would be available to you. If I don't link it, it's because it doesn't have a link anymore. It doesn't exist. They're not selling it anymore, okay? That's one thing. Here's another one that I just loved. It's like a little girl dancing, and it's just so cool. So cool. Now, I did change out some of the things in here. The shirt originally was the same color as this background, or very slight shade off. So I changed it to a pure white so I could tell the difference between the shirt and the background. And it had these little spots in it as like flower spots on the shirt. And I left them there. I liked them. So I left the other thing in for shading, for shadowing. So I did have to change a little bit. This was from Amazon. I got this off of Amazon.com. And it just says diamond painting is all it said. And this was my little girl like twirling and dancing. Okay. I love this. This is a companion piece to one I finished earlier. I don't know if it was this last month or last year. But this is from 5DPD. And you'll see the number at the top. And again, I'll try to link it. I love these abstract. All the colors in this. Can you believe it? This it's just beautiful. I love the hot pinks, the dark teals, the bright yellow and oranges behind it. And like I said, I have a companion piece that I'll put up with this. If I have a third, I like to put things in sets of 3. They don't all have to be the same size, but same theme. And sometimes I change out these pictures month to month. This one was, okay, I'm an elephant girl. I gotta tell you, I love the elephants. This is a beaded elephant I fell in love with. Absolutely fell in love with. When I do these partial canvases, I use a special glue underneath them because they don't always last. And if I'm going to create something with this, I need it to be strong, so it could take a lot of bumps. And that is the Tombow Liquid Aquaglue, the clear. So that's what I use. I just put a dot underneath it and hold it on nice and tight. Okay, I'll do this one with you. But before I do that, I want to show you the others I got done. This is a wall hanging. Let me take you back out a little bit so you can see it better. A wall hanging with the tassel on the bottom and tab at the top that you have 2 screws that after you're finished with this, you screw it in. It has a plastic cover over it, and I just love the butterfly theme. So, yeah. That's that. I have a picture of it either at the end or somewhere along the line here. I'll put up a picture of it on the wall. Another one that I got finished, excuse me, is another wall hanging. And like I said, if I get done with it, I think these were from Diamond Painting Factory, if I'm not mistaken. So if I get finished somewhere along the line, I will put up a picture of it hanging on the wall. And it comes with this really lovely tassel that I just loved. Okay? And another one, and this took a lot of aqua glue. I did the aqua glue around the edges. This is a tissue box. And look at that butterfly. It's all crystals. Crystals on the side. 2 sides have the flowers. 2 sides have the butterflies. And to put the tissues in at the bottom, you just pop off. The bottom to put in the tissue. So this was a little smaller than I thought it was going to be, but I have a bigger one that I'm going to be doing along with you. Well, actually, you'll be doing it along with me. So, we'll get to that soon. The one I have over here, this is also from, excuse me, Diamond Painting Factory. This is unique because it's leather. This is leather. And it's a wall hanging as well. And what I wanted to do is with you, I wanted to go through and put some of the hardware on it. Now this again, I used the Aquaglue, Tombow Aquaglue, to set the stones, to keep them in place. Sometimes these partials just don't, doesn't matter what company, they just don't last. They just don't stay on there. So this one has, let's see, clips. There were 2 clips. Where's the other one? Oh dear. There it is, underneath here, back here. There are 2 clips and there's a chain. And I think they meant, see, they put the 2 things at the bottom here. See the little white dot in the edge of the canvas here? And there's one on the other side. I think that's where they meant to put the hanging things on, but I don't think that's where they go, or else it would be the bottom. I don't think it goes this way. Do you? Do you think it goes this way? Did I have it upside down the whole time? Yeah, I guess I did. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take these little clips, put them on the sides, and squeeze them down with this. Now, do I have to link up the chain to it first? That might be easier, huh? The chain has a little lobster claw, and the clips have a little round opening in it. So, let's see. Now we're going to struggle this today. As Mrs. Coffee says, I'm going to enter the struggle bus here. And let's see, maybe see if I hold that down with my thumb. Phooey. Alrighty then. This I actually finished before that. I'm not exactly sure where I got it, and I am so sorry for that. If I find it, as always, I will link it. I will link it down in the bottom, in the extra comments. So, I love this. I absolutely love it. I did not put any glue underneath it. It's a partial, so it's in her hair. I wish I would have had my crystals before this, or I would have added some, especially into her halo and the wings. That would have been so gorgeous. But it did not come with the pillow form. It just came like this. I added my own pillow form, but it's easy to do because it has the zipper on the bottom. And actually, it's one of my couch pillows that had seen better days. I just put it right in there. So I love her. I love angels. I collect angels and elephants and teapots. I even have 2 or 3 elephant teapots. Now I just need an angel teapot. Anyway, and thimbles from different places I've been. Anyway, this is one of the first, and I love it. I absolutely love it. And again, it'll be linked in the description box below.